financial controllers and FP&A managers face a frustrating choice. Either you spend hours every month downloading, copying, and reformatting reports from your ERP, always worried about errors or stale data. Or you fight with BI tools designed for sales dashboards, not for the complex structures that make finance data unique. That's why we created Spreadsheet Server from Insight Software. Designed for finance professionals, it connects your live ERP data directly to Excel, so you can create sophisticated, refreshable financial reports with the skills you already have. Say goodbye to endless copy-paste cycles and hello to reports that are always current. Unlike generic BI tools, Spreadsheet Server understands your chart of accounts, cost centers, projects, and all the dimensions that make financial reporting complex. Use simple Excel formulas to pull accurate data and drill down to transactions without learning database schemas. Lineos AI is built right in. Doc Assist provides instant support without leaving Excel, while Data Assist automatically spots trends and anomalies in your financial data. Create sophisticated reports in minutes and catch issues before they become problems. Report on data beyond your general ledger, even in the same sheet as GL data. Spreadsheet Server can report on data in other ERP modules, helping you better track critical areas of your business, like ongoing projects, AP and AR, sales, and your supply chain. Use Distribution Manager to automate and schedule the report sharing process to ensure users get the right reports on time. With Spreadsheet Server, create sophisticated financial reports directly in Excel using skills you already have. Why struggle with manual exports and BI tools that don't understand finance? Take the smoother path to financial reporting. Learn more at insightsoftware.com.